can see the angle that my lower leg is with the tree. Pushing, pushing. Michael, Virginia, Gold Academy. We're going to look at some physics, how friction and force and decomposition of force matters when you're doing some stuff. You know, if you got a force like this, you can decompose it into the horizontal and the vertical. Or if we're like this, if we have this, then a small angle still, then the vertical, you know, this part, or in trig, remember, you know, geometry we call it the adjacent to the angle. Hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite. So the opposite would be small, and the adjacent is about the same size. But if the angle is big, then the adjacent is small, and the opposite is large. So for a big angle, the opposite is large. For a small angle, the opposite is small. Okay, so to generalize, with a small angle, the opposite is small. When the angle gets bigger, the opposite gets bigger. So there's a range of values here. There's this causal correlation. When the angle gets big, this side gets big, okay? So bigger angle, bigger side, smaller angle, smaller side, and it goes in a continuum. The side's getting progressively bigger as the angle gets progressively bigger. They work together. Bigger, 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 like that, right? If I try to have all vertical and no horizontal, then clearly I can't climb it. I'm just going to be slipping. If I try to have all horizontal and no vertical, well, common sense, I can't climb up. But like that, you can just stay in one place. I can't move up. So when we're climbing, we got to have some friction so we don't slip, and we need upward force. So we need to have a good balance between the two, good as much as we can to go up to be efficient, but enough to have friction to hold on. So we need that horizontal and that vertical. So when I get a little horizontal and then get some good vertical, we can go up. Then especially important for coming down. If you can't come down, then don't go up, because you'll get hurt. So, I need to set my foot first, get some friction, then move on to it. Set it again, get some friction, move on to it. Set the next one, move on to it. Set and go.
Wow.